Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing GRC Lightning McQueen and Cryptid Buster Mater or Ghostbusters Mater. Let's start off with GRC Lightning McQueen. I think it was gonna be short about this. Okay. Oh no. There is the 95. And when I look at this, it looks amazing. It's based off the Cars 2 body, chassis, and everything. If you look at them, no scratches. It's really in good condition. Well, I see this McQueen. Nice expression, the GRC, and the 95 logo. The wheels and tires, the bumper, and the GRC in this part, and the hood is right like there. Okay, so now that's here good. Now let's take a look at the Cryptid Buster Mater. Actually, it's packaging. Now this is an interesting variant of Mater. It's like Ghostbusters. So we're gonna review. Now we'll do some comparison. Only on McQueen because I don't have much variations of Mater. Also, I think I recognize this. There's this thing on McQueen. I think that's supposed to be where Mater hooks in, but I don't think this is the one. So I'll be comparing it for McQueen. Let me get something. We have two McQueens. I don't have a Cars 2 McQueen because my Thailand one is really bad condition. So let's start off with the Cars 1 McQueen. Move you out of the way. So the body, he's, let's see, body's normally fine, but this one doesn't have the spoiler. This one is actually I customized this McQueen. These are different wheels. These are like NASCAR. This one's for like racing events. Okay, now let's move on to this McQueen. This is an interesting one for this McQueen. This one has a slimmer body. Everything is like the same. It's like a combination of the Cars 2 McQueen and Cars 1 McQueen. Expression is fine for everything. Okay, I just want to move on to Mater again. Looks fine. Satellite there and Cryptid Busters over there. His expression there and gasoline and his tow hook, the dirt and everything. Looks like so. And I heard there is a Cryptid Buster Lightning McQueen, but I couldn't find him because of the car's stock. I actually, when I saw the car stock, I was in shock, and I got these two. I couldn't find a Glow Racer McQueen. Maybe in the future. So, what do you think of them? Comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out, everyone.